Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying PowerPoint supports Zoom. This feature appears in 2019 and Microsoft 365. Once confirmed, organize slides into logical sections and give each section a clear title so navigation is meaningful. Now go to Insert, choose Zoom and select Summary Zoom, Section Zoom, or Slide Zoom depending on whether you want an index, section link, or individual slide link. Pick targets and click Insert. This immediately creates interactive thumbnails. You're preparing the presentation structure and placing the entry points for navigation. Once the thumbnails appear, select any Zoom thumbnail and use the Zoom Tools contextual tab to control behavior and appearance. Make sure to toggle Return to Zoom if you want to jump back to the index after a section, and set Zoom transition timing to control the animation speed. You can replace thumbnail images with a slide image, crop, resize, and reposition thumbnails on the master slide or individual slides. These choices shape flow and audience focus, so test transitions to confirm the navigation feels natural. You finish by running the slideshow and clicking each Zoom link to validate navigation, transitions, and return to Zoom behavior. If a thumbnail doesn't return or jumps incorrectly, make sure the target slides are still in their named sections and that you haven't duplicated identical slide titles, then reassign the Zoom target. Save a backup copy before major edits. Finally, remember interactive Zoom links don't survive a simple PDF export, so export only after flattening or provide the PPTX for interactive delivery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.